hope you guys are doing well. So guys, in this video I am going to give you guys a detailed walk around of the TVS Jupiter. Now this is a 2020 model, which means that it also gets a BS6 petrol engine. And guys, in this video I'll try to cover most of the things about the scooter. Still, if you have any questions regarding the same or the other, you can definitely ask it to me on Instagram as well as in the comment section below. And earlier I have already given you guys a detailed review of the Activa 125 BS6, so you can basically also check out that video on the channel. You can basically access our playlist. And after this video I am going to give you guys a detailed walk around of the Suzuki Bergman Street 125 as well, so you can basically stay tuned on the channel for that video as well. And if you like watching videos in Hindi language, you can basically also check out our Hindi YouTube channel, which is Autorevs Hindi. Now without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started. Hello everyone and welcome to Autorevs back again. I hope you guys are doing well. So guys, in this video I am going to give you guys a detailed walk around of this scooter, which is the TVS Jupiter. Now this is a 2020 model, which means that it gets a BS6 fuel injected petrol engine. This scooter is provided to me from Sneha Motors, Navi Mumbai. So if you are interested in buying a TVS Jupiter, you can definitely contact Mr. Rana. Contact details are given in the description box below. And as you can see guys, this is the color of the scooter. This is the matte blue color which you get, and here on the exhaust there is a CVTi BS6 sticker as well, which tells you that it gets a BS6 petrol engine, which is a fuel injected one. Now let's quickly start from the front profile of the scooter. So as you can see, it is a conventional design which you get in this scooter, and this is the matte starlight blue color which you get. This is the LED headlight setup which you get. Here you have your TVS sticker provided, and this is how the front profile looks like. The indicators which you get right over here are obviously halogen bulbs, and you also get this air intake sort of a design at the front, which also adds to the visual appeal of the scooter. The design of the scooter is quite simple and conventional looking, I would say, and this is how the scooter looks like from the side profile. Like I said, it is a conventional looking, simple and subtle looking scooter. Now let me quickly show you guys the tire profile of the scooter. So at the front you actually get a 220mm disc, and the tire profile is 90-90-12. Those are 12 inches alloy wheels which you get right over here. Here as you can see, that's the tire profile. And here on the sides you also do get this reflector provided, and this is how the side profile of the TVS Jupiter actually looks like. Here you actually do get your Jupiter ZX badge provided on the side of the scooter. This is the BS6 110cc petrol engine which you get in the Jupiter. And here as you can see, this is the foot peg provided. Material of the foot peg which they have used is plastic over here, and this is your side stand and the main stand. And here as you can see, the grab rails which they have provided are quite nice in terms of the quality, and the seat is actually on the softer side, so it will definitely provide you decent amount of comfort. And this is how the rear looks like. Here you obviously have your halogen tail lamps and halogen indicators on the rear. This is your external fuel filling lid, and here again as you can see, this is the reflector which you get on the rear as well. So this is how the rear profile of the scooter looks like. Again on the sides you do get your Jupiter badge right over here. As you can see, Jupiter ZX written on the side of the scooter, and this blue color actually looks quite nice. It is a matte finish, and here you actually get this sticker, CVTi BS6 sticker, on the exhaust cover. The exhaust cover which they have provided, as you can see, it is a silver cover. And talking about the tire profile at the rear, the tire profile is again similar, 90-90-12. On the rear you actually get drum brakes. So here as you can see, so the tire profile can't be seen from here as well. And drum brakes is the drum is 130mm drum which you get at the rear. So that is the tire profile and the brakes which you get on the TVS Jupiter ZX disc variant. So here this is the amount of space which you get on the floorboard area. It is decent in terms of size, and here you also do get this hook where you can actually hang your grocery bags. That is something which you get on most of the scooters nowadays. So that's the amount of space which you get on the TVS Jupiter. That's the floorboard area which you get. And coming on to the front tire profile is 90-90-12, and here you also do get a reflector here. As you can see, this is the reflector provided, and the tire profile at the front as well as on the rear is similar. Now this is how the center console looks like. This is how the handlebar looks like. This is obviously your key slot, and here you also do get a storage space where you can keep your mobile phone. There is also a USB point provided, so you can basically charge your mobile phone as well. There is also a hook provided at the front, and this is how the instrument cluster of the TVS Jupiter actually looks like. So here, as you can see, you get an analog speedometer right over here. Here it will show you eco and power mode. Here you have a small MID provided, and by pressing this button you can actually toggle through a lot of information. So it will show you your time, odometer reading, trip A, trip B, fuel gauge as well. So all that information can be basically seen on this particular MID right over here. So here actually it will also show your eco percentage. So when you ride the scooter at slow speeds, obviously it will save you a lot of fuel, and when you go hard on the throttle it gets into the power mode. So all that information can be seen right in the MID, and this is the power start button provided over here, self start button. And here, as you can see, you also do get a hook at the front, and those are your buttons for your high beam, low beam, as well as pass light switch. This is for your indicator, and this is your horn. The horn actually sounds loud and nice. And this is again the instrument cluster. This is your halogen indicator which you get on the Jupiter ZX disc variant. And as soon as you turn on your indicator, it also starts beeping. So let me turn off the scooter, and now let me really show you guys the under seat storage which you get in the Jupiter. So here below the seat you actually get 21 liters of storage space, which is kind of decent in terms of size. And this is your OBD port, so you can basically connect a OBD device because it gets a fuel injected petrol engine, BS6 engine. Here you also get a TVS embossed right over here. So yeah, that's about the storage space which you get in the TVS Jupiter. So guys, this is how the scooter looks like from the side profile and from each and every side of view. I hope that I have covered most of the things for you guys. Still, if you have any questions, you can definitely ask it to me on Instagram as well as in the comment section below. This was a quick walk around from my side. I hope you guys liked the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, drive safe, ride safe, bye bye. And you can basically also check out our Hindi YouTube channel, which is Autorevs Hindi.